have a small family. There are 4 people in my family: my mother, my father, my sister, and me. My mother's name is Amelia, and she is a teacher. She works at a school near our house. My father's name is David, and he works in an office. He likes his job, and he is always busy. My sister's name is Lisa. She is 10 years old, and she goes to school. She is in the 5th grade, and she loves reading books. I love my family very much. We always help each other, and we like to spend time together. On the weekend, we do many fun things. Sometimes we go to the park. We take a ball and play games. My sister and I like to ride bikes. My mother enjoys walking in the park, and my father likes to read a book while we play. After the park, we often go to a cafe. We eat ice cream and talk about our week. I like these moments because I feel happy with my family. Every evening, we eat dinner together. My mother cooks delicious food. She makes pasta, chicken, and salads. Father helps in the kitchen sometimes. He makes good sandwiches and soup. After dinner, we sit in the living room and watch TV. We like watching family movies. My sister and I enjoy cartoons, but my parents prefer movies. Sometimes we all play board games. My favorite game is Monopoly, and my sister loves playing Uno. We have fun and we laugh a lot. We also celebrate special days together. My favorite day is my birthday. On my birthday, my family makes a cake for me. I get presents from my parents and my sister. We invite our friends and have a party at home. My family sings the birthday song and we eat together. It's a happy day for everyone. We also celebrate holidays like Christmas and New Year. We decorate the house and we put up a tree. My family loves these holidays because we can relax and enjoy time together. My grandparents are also very important to me. My grandmother's name is Maria, and my grandfather's name is George. They live in a small town not far from us. We visit them every month. My grandmother is very kind. She always gives us cookies and tells us stories about when she was young. My grandfather likes to work in the garden. He grows flowers and vegetables. When we visit, we help him in the garden. I like spending time with my grandparents because they teach us many things. My family is special to me because we care about each other. My mother helps me in my homework. My father teaches me how to fix things around the house. My sister shares her toys with me and we play together. I also help my family. I clean my room and sometimes wash the dishes after dinner. I feel happy when I help my parents. In my family, we talk a lot. We share our thoughts and feelings. If I am sad, my mother listens to me and gives me advice. If my sister is angry, my father talks to her and helps her feel better. We try to understand each other and solve problems together. This makes our family strong and close. In my extended family, I also have grandparents, aunts, uncles, and cousins. My grandparents live in the countryside. They have a big house with a garden. We visit them every summer. My grandfather grows tomatoes, carrots, and flowers. He loves working in the garden. My grandmother cooks delicious meals with fresh vegetables from the garden. She always makes a big lunch when we visit. I have 2 aunts and 2 uncles. They live in different cities, but we meet on holidays. My cousins are very fun. We play games when we see each other. My cousin John is my best friend. He is the same age as me, and we both like soccer. We play soccer when our families meet at my grandparents' house. Our daily routine is every morning my family wakes up early. My mother gets up first. She makes breakfast for everyone. My father gets ready for work. He drives to his office at 8 o'clock. My sister and I get ready for school. We put on our uniforms, pack our bags, and eat breakfast together. My mother usually makes eggs and toast for breakfast. After breakfast, my sister and I walk to school. It is not far from our house, so we don't take the bus. School starts at 8:30 in the morning. After school, we come home and do our homework. My mother helps me with math, and my father helps me with English. After we finish our homework, we have some free time. I like to play video games, and my sister likes to read books. In the evening, we eat dinner together as a family. On the weekends, we don't go to school. We stay at home and relax. On Saturday mornings, my family cleans the house. My father vacuums the living room. My mother cleans the kitchen. And my sister and I clean our bedrooms. After we finish cleaning, we go shopping. We buy food and clothes at the supermarket. Sometimes we go to the mall and buy new toys. In the afternoon, we usually go to the park or the beach if the weather is nice. My father plays soccer with me, and my sister rides her bike. My mother likes to sit on a bench and read a book. On Sundays, we visit my grandparents or other family members. We have lunch together, talk, and sometimes play games. My family loves to go on vacations. Every summer, we travel to the beach. We go by car, and it takes 3 hours to get there. We stay in a small hotel near the sea. My father likes to swim, and my sister loves to build sandcastles. I like to play in the water and collect seashells. Sometimes we also go to the mountains for a holiday. My mother enjoys hiking, and my father likes to take photos of nature. We stay in a cabin in the mountains. At night, we sit by the fire and roast marshmallows. Family vacation are very special to me because we spend time together and have fun. In my family, everyone has hobbies. My mother likes to read books. She reads every night before bed. My father enjoys fishing. He goes fishing on weekends, and sometimes he takes me with him. My sister's hobby is painting. She paints pictures of animals and flowers. Her paintings are very beautiful, and my mother puts them on the wall. I love playing soccer. I play with my friends after school, and my father comes to watch my games. My hobbies make me happy, and I love sharing them with my family. We celebrate many things in my family. Birthdays are very important to us. We always have a party when someone in the family has a birthday. My mother makes a cake, and we invite our friends. We give presents to the birthday person, and we sing songs. My birthday is in May, and my sister's birthday is in June. We also celebrate Christmas and New Year. On Christmas, we decorate the tree and the house. We exchange gifts, and we have a big dinner. My father makes a special dish for Christmas, and we eat together. On New Year's Eve, we stay up late and watch fireworks. It's a fun time for all of us. In my family, we have some traditions. Every Friday night, we have a family movie night. We watch a new movie or an old favorite. We make popcorn and sit on the couch together. My father always chooses action movies, and my sister picks cartoons. Another tradition we have is a family picnic in the summer. We go to the park, bring food, and play games. My mother makes sandwiches, and we eat them while sitting on a blanket. My father brings a frisbee, and we all play together. These traditions make our family life fun and special. In my family, we help each other every day. My parents help me with my homework, and I help my sister with her schoolwork. When my mother is tired, I help her in the kitchen. I can set the table and wash the dishes. My father teaches me how to fix things around the house. Last week, we fixed the door in my room. My sister helps my mother in the garden. She waters the flowers and picks vegetables. We always help each other because we care about one another. I love my family because they are always there for me. My parents take care of me, and they always listen when I have a problem. My sister is my best friend. We play together and we never fight. My family makes me feel safe and happy. We laugh a lot and enjoy spending time together. I am lucky to have such a wonderful family. Thanks for watching and listening to my story. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe the channel Storytime with Anita to keep up with my upcoming videos. Have a great day.